everyone, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. The contract comes after a Taliban delegation led by the acting commerce minister visit Russia in mid-August to hold talks on trade. If complete, the contract would be a set of foreign countries increasingly doing business with the Taliban, despite in administration not being officially recognized by any international government since it took control of the country after U.S. troops withdrew around a year ago. It's common as the United States tries to convince other nations to cut down on use of Russian oil, saying the initiative is aimed at curbing the oil revenue that Moscow used to finance its invasion of Ukraine, but Russia and Taliban-led Afghanistan face economic action from international governments, including the United States. No foreign government, including Moscow, formally recognizes says the Taliban administration and Afghanistan's banks have been hampered by this section, which have left most international banks unwilling to carry out transactions with Afghan banks. The officials said they had a plan for how payment would be made, but declined to provide detail on whatever official banking channel would be used. That beat Afghanistan's central bank assets being frozen, that banking sector hampered by sanctions, and a lack of formal recognition from abroad. Some countries are doing business with Kabul, helping it access global markets amid a domestic economic crisis. Pakistan is receiving thousands of tons of coal from Afghanistan a day, which the former has welcomed to ease its energy crisis. Transactions are carried out by private business in each country, and the Taliban administration collects millions of dollars in custom duties on the coal export. The story correct designation of Afghan spokesperson to Economy Ministry, not Commerce Ministry. The U.S. Energy Secretary urged domestic oil refiners this month to not further increase export of fuel like gasoline and diesel, adding that the Biden administration may need to consider taking action if the plans do not will investors. U.S. refiners have boosted oil products export this month as domestic crude oil production rose and global fuel demand continued to recover. Energy Secretary Jennifer Granholm, in a letter sent August 18, Oregon 7 refiners, including Valero, ExxonMobil, and Chevron, to boil suppliers of fuel as the United States start big hurricane season, given the historic level of U.S. refined product export. Again, urge you to focus in the near term on building inventories in the United States rather than selling down current stock and further increasing export, Granholm said in the letter sent to refiners, a copy of which has seen by Reuters. High U.S. oil product export have been a concern for the administration of President Joe Biden this summer, as gasoline prices briefly hit a record of $5 a gallon, helping drive inflation to 40-year high. Gasoline prices have since fallen to about $3.86 per gallon. Federal weather forecasters have projected an above-average Atlantic hurricane season, which can be a perilous time for refiners. This Still, high gasoline prices remain a threat to Biden's fellow Democrats ahead of the eighth midterm election. Okay, that's all for me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.